One hornet can kill 40 bees a minute.
30 of these giants against 30,000 bees. The hive has seconds to decide how it survives. This is a scout searching for a hive to mark. She just signaled her colony. An attack is coming. The bees know exactly what that mark means. Their only defense, overwhelming her with numbers and heat.
In the next 8 minutes, one of them will die.
Hundreds of European honeybees vibrate their flight muscles at once.
Temperature inside the ball climbs past 115 degrees Fahrenheit. The hornet can't escape hide. Bees block every direction.
But she wasn't traveling alone. More are coming.
The hive's outer guards prepare for a second wave. The heat is doing what no sting alone could. A lone guard buys time for reinforcements to gather.
One bite. One bee. The cost of buying time.
The scent mark has drawn her entire hunting squad.
In an unprotected hive, this stage can end everything.
But this colony has 30,000 bees to spare.
Hundreds emerge at once. The hive commits fully.
Each hornet now faces her own wall of bees.
Not every hornet can be trapped in time. The hive adapts instantly. A second ball begins to form. Free again, she resumes the slaughter without pause. No gap, no escape. The heat begins immediately.
2 hornets trapped. 3 still circling above.
The circling hornets pull back. The odds have shifted.
The first hornet succumbs to heat and carbon dioxide.
The bees pull back and's pain, their task complete. The second hornet's fight ends the same way.
Cleanup crews clear the bodies from the landing board.
The hive resets, ready for whoever comes next.
But the hornet colony does not give up easily.
Hours pass with no further sign of attack.
For now, the 30,000 have held their ground.
Beginnings. Vespa Mandarinia is the world's largest hornet species.
Her venom is potent enough to dissolve tissue.
One hornet outweighs several honeybees combined.
Bees communicate danger through vibration and movement patterns.
Bees communicate danger through vibration and movement patterns. This heat-balling defense evolved specifically against hornets. Her eyes hold thousands of lenses built for pattern recognition.
One queen, 30,000 daughters, everything they defend.
No further hornets returned to the hive that day.
The entrance stands clear, Mindy, the threat repelled for now.
Normal life resumes timid. Pollen returns to the hive.
Inside, the colony rebuilds its reserves for winter. New workers emerge. The colony replenishes its numbers. She will learn the defense that saved them today. One hive, one battle. Countless more still ahead.
Somewhere beyond the trees, the hunters remember this hive.
As evening falls, the hive settles into rhythm.
She held the line against something 10 times her size. Not for glory, not for herself, for the colony.
Cooperation in nature can defeat even the deadliest predator.
Somewhere in the trees, 30,000 still stand ready.
This is survival, measured not in size, but in unity.
Tomorrow, the forest may test them again. They will answer. In the smallest lives, the greatest courage often hides.